Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the light lens found on all white colored 89 to 99 hot spring spa models with the 71832 light lens retrofit kit. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: hammer, chisel, sander, round file, masking tape, drop cloth, and a Dremel tool. Parts you will need: 71832 light lens retrofit kit and the 72961 Devcon repair. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Drain the spa. Step 3. Place masking tape on the spa shell around the perimeter of the light lens to protect the spa shell from damage. Step 4. Place a drop cloth inside the spa to protect the interior spa shell. Step 5. Use the hammer and chisel and start at the top of the lens. Place the chisel between the lens and the shell and tap the chisel with the hammer until the lens begins to loosen. Step 6. Use light pressure on the chisel to lift the light lens from the spa shell. Continue to move around the perimeter of the lens until the lens can be removed from the spa shell. If you have a spa with a Quarite or granite-like shell, the light lens removal will be a little bit different. You will need a Dremel tool with a number 426 cutoff wheel. Here are the directions for removing a light lens on a spa with a Quarite shell. Step 7. After the entire lens is removed, use the orbital sander or belt sander to sand down the existing epoxy, which remains on the light lens bonding area of the spa shell. This bonding area should be sanded until smooth. If necessary, use the round file to smooth the inner surface of the lens cutout in the spa shell. Step 8. After sanding the bonding area, clean the surface to remove any debris. After the area is cleaned, thoroughly dry the area to ensure proper bonding of the adhesive during installation. Step 9. Dry fit the new lens into place. If the lens does not fit into the hole, repeat from step 7 above until the lens fits properly. Step 10. Assemble the repair adhesive applicator and place assembly into a standard caulking gun. Step 11. Apply a 3/8 bead of the repair adhesive completely around the perimeter bonding surface of the lens in a snake-like pattern. Step 12. Apply the lens to the prepared surface of the spa shell. Press the lens into place. Give the light lens a quarter turn to ensure the adhesive is uniformly compressed behind the outer ring of the lens. Step 13. Use a minimum of 2 strips of masking tape to hold the light lens into place. If the spa shell is not flat enough to allow the lens to seat properly, use a brace to apply enough pressure for proper adhesion. Step 14. The light lens adhesive requires 24 hours for a complete cure. Remove the masking tape from the light lens before refilling the spa on the following day. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.